In this video, we will discuss configuring Endo Auto Torque settings on a DS5 touchscreen. Begin by lifting the handpiece you would like to configure. Switch to endodontic mode. Press the Endo Auto Torque button. Note, available options may vary based on the configured handpiece type. Select your desired auto torque function. The auto torque button will update to show your selected function. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.